guy is incredible. You've never heard lyrics like his.
Is that Billy Joel?
Billy Joel? You try and raise your kids right.
I was thinking, this has really been in the last little while a time where rock icons are being featured.
Yes.
There's the Bohemian Rhapsodies. There's Rocket Man. And now this ode to Bruce Springsteen. What do you think this romance kind of comes from with these rock icons?
I think it's just timing, you know. I didn't know that we were going to come out at the same time as this, and, you know, the way films get greenlit is so arbitrary. But I think there's something different about ours, because it's not actually about Springsteen and Springsteen's life, it's about an ordinary kid's life, but it is about the power of the words of his music.
I'm just living in a dump like this. There's something happening somewhere.
And I think that's why Springsteen gave us the permission to use all his music, you know, because it wasn't really about him, it was about the words. But there was still a lot of pressure on me, because I had to, you know, take these iconic songs and picturise them in a way that would not disappoint Bruce, I hope, all the millions of Bruce fans around the world. But I think you get to the essence of what Bruce is about. For me, it's about integrity and empathy. And so I wanted to make a film that was about integrity and empathy, and would therefore relate to a world out there right now, which I feel is sort of being torn apart by division and hate.
I know Bruce has seen the film and he absolutely loved it. What's it like seeing kind of your life on the big screen?
It's like an out-of-body experience, do you know what I mean? It's like, for one thing, to live that life and to be that kid and listening to the music. At that time, you know, when you're writing poetry and you're having arguments with your dad, you don't think anyone's going to know about these things ever, you know. So the idea that anyone knows about them in a book is one thing, but then that idea of something that's very personal becoming like public and public property, and then something that everyone can have a view on, it's kind of nuts.
I can feel it all right here. It's like Bruce knows everything I've ever felt, everything I've ever wanted.